Hi, my name is Michele and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my first video, I'm gonna show you how I build a floating headboard for my bed. Let's get started. I've bought 3 oak wood boards from a local supplier in south of Stockholm. The boards are a little oversized, which is good because then I can cut away the parts with knots and cracks. I will save those bits for future projects. Once I've chosen the part that I like, I cut the boards with a little bit of margin to the length that I want. Of course, everything is done under the supervision of my little helper. Using a compound miter saw, I cut all the 3 boards to 170 cm, which is 5 cm longer than the final length is going to be. Without a planer in my toolkit, I chose to use a pre-planed wood. This way I can ensure a smooth, even surface from the start, saving some time and effort. I'm aware there might be various methods and equipment better suited for this project. I'm applying what I know with the resources at my disposal, which I must say works fine. It is now time for the final cut. I'm using tile spacer to get a feeling of the end result. I'm also marking the boards so that I won't misplace them when I'm doing the steel structure on the back. This is how the back is gonna look like. I'm gonna put 2 steel brackets to connect the boards together. I am marking where I want them, making sure they are equally spaced between top and the bottom. I'm now tracing the bracket shape to then make inlays for them with a router. I will create inlays that are 5 mm deep to match the thickness of the plates. This way, the steel will fit perfectly and give a clean and nice result. When working with a router, make sure to use some guide bars. This will keep the tool on track. In this case, I have used some leftover steel pieces and some double-sided tape. The brackets are fitting a little bit too snugly, so I have to shave off a few millimeters here and there. The brackets will have several rectangular cutouts, which are typically used for joining pieces of wood while allowing for some adjustment or movement due to changes in humidity. Before wood finishing, it's time for the least thrilling step, yet a crucial one: sanding. I'm starting with a coarse 40 grit sandpaper, moving on to a medium 80 grit, and then a fine 120 grit to prepare the surface. Following the pre-marked guides, I'm drilling holes for socket screw inserts. This will provide a solid base for the fastener that secures the steel bars. Applying an oil finish is probably one of the most satisfying parts of the process. You can really see the wood's character come to life as the oil enhances its natural grain and color. Here I'm using a colorless matte finish. One of the final pieces of the assembly is the rectangular mounting brackets at the top. This essential component ensures the planks remain securely upright, preventing any forward tipping that could lead to the headboard falling onto the bed, or worse, on my head. Now, the wall attachments. There are two L-shaped brackets positioned vertically. They are designed to support the entire weight of the planks. At the top, there is a separate rectangular one. It is meant to interlock with its matching part on the planks. It's time to put everything together. For mounting, I'm using bolts that are 80 mm in diameter and 40 mm long. The wall, composed of a layer of drywall and OSB board, provides a sturdy foundation capable of supporting the headboard's weight. And here we have the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's minimal, but it really adds warmth to the bedroom. Well, I hope you liked the video. Keep an eye out for more projects. There are some exciting ones coming. Ciao!